what's going on? I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We're going to just show you how to check the coolant on this 01 GS300, same for 98 to 05. Once you open the hood, coolant is right here. Pull the cap off, and there's actually an indicator on the outside, but what you can do is look down in, and you can see you want to locate the indicator on the outside. You can see my finger pointing to it and fill up to where my finger is, or to where the full line is. If you're just adding a little bit, you can just add some water. If you're adding any more than a cup or so though, get Toyota specific antifreeze. And then make sure once you add more, close that up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.